Hey there, fellow plant lovers! Welcome back to Plantmanics, your go-to channel for all things green and growing. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to our hearts: pet-friendly indoor plants. Let's make our homes lush and safe for our furry companions. Here are the top 18 pet-friendly indoor plants you'll want to add to your collection. First up, we have the trusty spider plant. Not only does it add a touch of elegance to your space with its arching foliage, but it's also safe for our curious pets to be around. Next on our list is the Boston fern. With its lush, feathery fronds, this plant brings a breath of fresh air into any room and is completely non-toxic to our furry friends. For a splash of color, look no further than the African violet. These delicate blooms come in a variety of shades and are safe for both cats and dogs. Bringing a touch of the tropics indoors, the bamboo palm is not only visually stunning but also safe for pets. Its slender bamboo-like stems add an exotic flair to any space. Similar to the bamboo palm, the areca palm is another pet-friendly option for those craving a tropical vibe. Its graceful fronds create a lush canopy, perfect for brightening up any room. Compact and charming, the parlor palm is an excellent choice for smaller spaces. It's safe for pets and adds a touch of greenery to even the coziest corners. Known for their striking foliage patterns, Calatheas are a favorite among plant enthusiasts. Luckily, they're also safe for pets, making them a perfect addition to your indoor jungle. If you're looking for a plant with personality, the polka dot plant is sure to delight. Safe for pets and available in a range of vibrant colors, it's a playful addition to any home. With its unique pancake-shaped leaves, the Chinese money plant has taken the plant world by storm. Thankfully, it's also safe for our furry friends to be around. Next on our list is the peperomia, a diverse genus known for its thick, succulent-like leaves. Whether you prefer the trailing varieties or the compact rosettes, rest assured that peperomias are completely non-toxic to pets, making them a fantastic choice for any pet owner. If you're looking for a plant that's as charming as it is pet-friendly, look no further than the friendship plant. With its textured leaves and trailing habit, it's sure to win both your heart and your pet's approval. Next up, for those tough spots in your home where other plants struggle to thrive, the cast iron plant is the perfect solution. With its sturdy dark green leaves and low light tolerance, it's a worry-free choice for pet owners looking to add some greenery to their space. Next on our list, we have the rattlesnake plant, named for its striking leaf pattern reminiscent of a rattlesnake's skin. Like other Calatheas, it's safe for pets and adds a touch of drama to any room with its wavy, lance-shaped leaves. Next is the baby rubber plant. With its glossy, succulent-like leaves, the baby rubber plant is a delightful addition to any indoor garden. Safe for pets and easy to care for, it's perfect for plant enthusiasts of all experience levels. Known for its striking zebra-like stripes, the zebra plant is a popular choice among succulent enthusiasts. Its compact size and low maintenance requirements make it an ideal addition to any pet-friendly home. Despite its name, Swedish ivy is neither Swedish nor a true ivy. Instead, it's a trailing plant with cascading stems adorned with small rounded leaves. This charming plant is safe for pets and adds a touch of elegance to hanging baskets or shelves. For those craving a pop of color and texture, the Begonia rex is a perfect choice. With its intricately patterned leaves and vibrant hues, it's sure to make a statement in any room. Plus, it's safe for pets, making it a worry-free option for pet owners. Last but certainly not least, we have the Christmas cactus. With its festive blooms and easy-care nature, it's a must-have for any plant enthusiast with pets. And there you have it, folks. Our top 18 pet-friendly indoor plants to keep your home green and safe for your furry companions. Which one will you add to your collection? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more plant inspiration. Until next time, happy planting!